Seismic Warning Systems is ready to answer the call for a statewide earthquake early warning system for California. Ready with a system that detects and measures the earliest seismic waves and responds in under half a second, with no history of false alarms.
It's really quick. So in 400 milliseconds, we have the only system in the world, and it is patented, that has two sensors that watch this wave that moves at the speed of sound. We pick that up between the minute those two sensors pick that up, they go to a central processing and control system that's right at the point of origin. And that system turns around and sends it out. So within 700 milliseconds, we're taking action and getting it out.
Only Seismic Warning Systems has a proven track record of alerting numerous communities about potentially damaging quakes for more than 13 years, most notably in the Coachella Valley, including Palm Springs.
We have 17 systems, and 15 of them are in fire stations, and 2 of them are in Sunline Transit agencies. So it's just, it works, and we know it works. So it's kind of routine for us now. It's just that a lot of people don't know about it as much as they should. They've all heard about it, but they don't know that it's here and it's going to be here to stay.
Now, with passage of legislation calling for building an earthquake early warning system and forming a public-private partnership, the time is right for an accurate and affordable and available solution.
It's demonstrated its effectiveness in our region, and I'm sure it would be effective in other regions as well. And we should do everything in our power to replicate and distribute this technology and the warnings it provides throughout our region.
Seismic event detected. Seismic event detected. Seismic event detected.
This simulation shows how rapidly the Seismic Warning System network can alert you of a coming quake. This South Bay epicenter meant 1 to 3 seconds warning for nearby San Jose, but 20 to 30 seconds farther away from the epicenter. Time elapsed from the first warning to the arrival of the damaging S-waves. This simulation shows a magnitude 8 earthquake triggering policy or action items. In less than 1 second's time, Disneyland is stopping rides and starting generators. Pendleton Marine Base is locking down and suspending flight ops. The U.S. border is stopping traffic and alerting personnel. And dozens of fire station doors are automatically opening. A host of other actionable responses may be specifically programmed.
Any early warning system is good, but theirs is the best I've looked at. Just to give us some advance notice. Like I mentioned, you can't predict it. But if you give me 5 seconds before the shaking starts, I'll get the kids under the desk. If you can give me 50 seconds, we can do some phenomenal stuff with that.